Hey people, so I'm again back here and at the Waffleicious, and for 60 bucks you get peanut butter uh, pop, it's called. So that's what I realized. I need to hold my phone with my left hand and then eat with my right hand. And you know the funny part, it's drizzling right now and I'm still here because I don't know, like I also feel it's always good to just try something new regardless of whether we'll ever try it again. So tastes just like peanut butter. Okay, but I think I'm happier with the chocolate set of this coffee drama. Caramel, Oreo, Belgian and peanut butter. I think I like caramel the best. Yeah, so next time I'll try these mini pancakes. So on that note, we are again on the Malampet road. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.